Hello everyone. Sorry for I forgot one mistake in yesterday lecture. I forgot that when we use continuous sentence, we use three helping verbs. And the three helping verbs are is, am, are. Is, am, are. When we make sentence, continuous sentence, and the continuous sentence, if present, we use is, am, are. And we use is with singular person, and we use uh, for I, and we use are for plural. Okay, this is single, and this for yourself, and this is for plural. Plu- Plural, right? And here we should add Rabia makes tea. This is simple sentence of present, and here we use ing form, so we add Rabia is making tea. So we forget. Rabia is making tea. And Tahira school जाती है. Tahira goes to school. This is simple sentence of present. And Tahira school जा रही है. This is the continuous sentence of present. So Tahira is. So we add here Tahira is. If we say मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ. मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ. जा रही हूँ. Sorry. जा रही हूँ. So what should we write? I के साथ हमेशा जो है am यूज होगा. I के साथ always am यूज होगा. I am. Not in every sentence, only in continuous sentence. In present continuous. I am going to school. If I say वो स्कूल जा रहे हैं. So we use the word हैं. They are plural, so we use they, and we use for plural this is are. They are, this are they are go to school, right? So you should make 10 sentences of a, and the 10 sentences related to am, and the 10 sentences related to are. So you can make around 30 sentences and more than. So thank you so much tuning us.